Nirerespeto ng Malacanang ang ipinatutupad na rules and regulations ng Commission on Elections sa akreditasyon ng party list groups. Inihayag ito ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacierda matapos idiskwalipika ng COMELEC ang ilang party list groups na tatakbo sa 2013 midterm elections. Nagbigay din ng reaksyon ang palasyo sa hiling ng ilang militanteng grupo na i-disqualify din ang mga party list na kaalyado ng administrasyon. Niliwanag ni Lacierda na independent body ang COMELEC at walang poder ang palasyo na makialam sa umiiral na patakaran ukol sa party list groups.
You would like to emphasize here is the sectors that they seek to represent. Are they an effective means of voicing out, or are the present party list groups effectively able to voice out the marginalized sectors? So again, we leave it with the COMELEC to apply the rules as they see fit.